how to attach and send the document through your email. Points that I want to mention here is that if your file size is quite large, I would suggest to zip that file in order to reduce its size, or the other option is that you can use the cloud storage, meaning by that you can upload that file into Google Drive or OneDrive or iCloud, and then create a shareable link, and then you can put that link over here, and so that the person can straight away download from your cloud storage. Another important thing is that make sure that the file type is such that it can be opened by the receiver. The last thing is that do not share the sensitive documents through the email. Open the Gmail account or whatever the email you are using, click on compose, click on to, write the email address, write the subject, write the message. So to attach a document with your email, you need to click this attach file icon, then browse into the folder from where you want to upload the document. Select the document, click open. The document is going to get up. Once the document is uploaded or attached, you will see it here. If you want to attach more than one files, you can continue doing it. Let's say if I attach the second file, you will see that the second file will also be available here. So similarly, you can attach multiple files just following the same method. Once this all is done, you can just press the send button and it will be transmitted.